plus what is this? 36. So this is the A value, A of P plus C. So minus 48 26 plus 36. So minus 48. Sorry, this is associative property, distributive property. Children, here this is the distributive property, not associative. Sorry, again. So A into B plus A into C. That's right. Minus 48 of 26 plus 36. 26 plus 36. So now 26 plus 36 how much? 26 plus 36. So 6 plus 6, 12. 1 carry. 6 plus 6 how much children? 12. 1 carry. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So what is this answer? 62. So 26 plus 36 value how much children? 62. Now do multiplication. Minus 48 into 62. 2 8 are 16. 1 carry. 2 4 are 8. 8 plus 1 9. Leaves the 1 space. So 6 8 are how much children? 48. 4 carry. Now 6 4 are 24. 24 plus 4 28. Once again children, 2 8 are 16. 1. 2 4 are 8 plus 1 9. 6 8 are 48, 4 carry, 6 4 are 24 plus 4 28. Now 6, 9 plus 8, 17, 1 carry, 1 plus 4, 8, 9, 2. So what is this value? 2976. 2976. But this is the negative, positive. Negative into positive, negative. So what is the final answer children? Minus 2976 is the answer. Once children, this is the A value is 48, minus 48, B value 26 and C value minus 36. Which property? Distributive property under addition. Which property? Distributive property under addition. So minus 48 of 26 plus 36. So now addition of these two, 26 plus 36 is 62. So minus 48 of minus 62 mean do multiplication. This value is minus 2976. Next, second problem. Seven into 50 minus 2. 7 into 50 minus 2. Once see children, this is the 7 into 50 minus 2. Which property? Distributive property. Which property? Distributive property under subtraction. So this is the A, B, C. A, B, C. So A distribute to 50 and 7 distribute to 2. That's why 7 into 50 minus 7 into 2. Why give here minus? Because here given minus. So under subtraction, which property? Distributive property. So 7 into 50 minus 7 into 2. 750s. How much children? 350. 750 is how much? 350. Do here 50 to 7. 7 0 is 0. 7 5 is 35. So what is the value? 350 minus 7 2 is 14. 7 2 is how much children? 14. Now do subtraction. 350 minus 14. 0 minus 4. It's not possible. So take borrow here 10. Here 4. So 10 minus 4. 6. Here 4. 4 minus 1. 3. Bring down 3. What is this value? 336. So 350 minus 14 value is 336. Now third problem. Now which problem children? Third. See children, Third problem, minus 17 into minus 29. Fourth one, minus 41 into 102. First take third problem. This is the minus 17 into minus 29. See children. So this is the integer. This is also integer. What about closure property? If you take any three integers, a into b equal to c. So a value is minus 17. B value is minus 29. This result, that is the C value. So minus into minus plus. Now 17 into 29. 17 into 29. 9 7 are 63. 7 9 are how much children? 63. 6 can. 1 9 are 9 plus 6 15. 1 place. 2 7 are 14. 1 carry. 2 7 are is 14, 1 carry, 2 1 are 2 plus 1 3. So 3 9 4. So 153 plus 34 value is equal to how much children? 493. 7 9 are 63, 6 carry, 1 9 are 9 plus 6 15, 2 7 are 14 1, 2 1 are 2 plus 1 3. So 3 9 4. This value how much children? 493. So this value how much children? 493. Now take fourth problem. What is this? Minus 41 into 102. Minus 41 into 102. So in this solution, two ways. What is that? A into b equal to c. That is the closure property. Next one more property also there. That what is that? Minus 41 into 1 or 2. As 1 or 2, we have to write 100 plus 2. 100 plus 2. So take 1 or 2, write 100 plus 2. Now a into b plus c. A into b plus c. Which property? Distributive property. So minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into 2. Minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into 2. So this value minus 41 into 100 value is 4000 minus 4100 minus 4100 plus minus here plus, so value is minus 41 2s are how much children? 82. 41 2s are 82. Which 82? Minus 82. So minus 4100 plus minus 82. So do here minus 4100 and minus 82. Negative number like to have number, but you have to do here addition, negative addition. So the result also negative number. 0 plus 2 2, 0 plus 8 8, 1 4. So what is this answer children? Minus 4182. This answer is minus 4182. 4182. This property is distributive property and addition. One more property also there. This value you have to take a, b. A into b equal to c. That means 40 minus 41 into 102. The result equal to what children? Minus 4182. That is the direct. This is distributive property. Now I will give it to you homework. Homework children. $18 to 53 into minus 125. This first one, this is the second. Minus 18 into minus 19. Third problem, 9 into 100 minus 2. 100 minus 2. So this is these three problems are homework. First one, 18 into 53 into minus 125. Second one, minus 18 into minus 19. Third one, 9 into 100 minus 2. This is the homework. Next class, we have to discuss exercise 6 and exercise 7. In exercise 6, only few problems are there. So, and in exercise 7, 7 or 6 problems are there, that is word problems. We will discuss briefly in next class. Thank you children. Thank you very much.